In this tutorial, I'm gonna talk about ratio. What is the ratio? Okay, we'll talk about that. Let me start there. What I'm trying to cover is the ratio today. So write ratio. How you write ratio as a words. So you can say 2 to 3. That's how you write. If you wanna write 2 over 3 as words, 2 to 3. But in mathematical way, you wanna write the column in between. So this is the ratio 2 to 3. That's how you're gonna say. No, 2 to 2 colon 3. No, you're gonna say 2 to 3. But this is how you write the column inside the 2 3. Alright? But as a fraction, it will be 2 over 3. This is the fraction way. Alright? So in ratio, so always you need to find what number you can divide top and you can divide the bottom. That will give you equal fraction. Then the numbers are ratio. So for example, here if we have 6 over 4, if I divide 2, I get 3. If I divide 2 here, I have to divide 2 here too. So I get 2. So 3 over 2 is ratio to 6 over 4. And I can say these are a ratio. And also I can say they are equal. These are equal this. Or these are equal this. 6 over 4 are equal 3 over 2. 3 over 2, 3 over 2 are equal 6 over 2, and we call ratio. Okay? So the two ratio again here, 1 over 2. 1 over 2, if I multiply 2 here, what I got 2. If I multiply the 2 here too, whatever I multiply top, I have to multiply bottom. Whatever I divide top, I have to divide the bottom. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So these are also two ratio. Or if I divide 2 here and I divide 2 here, I will get 1 over 2. This also a ratio. So these are equal. Okay? These are equal. So like here for more example. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 over 4. 2 divided 2, 1. 4 divided 2, 2. 1 over 2. These are also a ratio. They are equal. What about 2 to 3? We're not going to say 12 to 12 column 3. No. 12 to 3. Here the words how you say it when you want to say 2 to 3. But as a mathematics you see this. Now we see 12 to 3. Is this equal? Are they ratio? Okay, we have 12 here and we have the bottom 3, right? So if I divide 2 here, I get 6. So if I divide 2 here, I have to divide here 2. It's not gonna work. So these two numbers are not ratio, because if I divide 2 here, I got 1.5, but I have here 2. So these numbers are not ratio. Another way to say it, ratio, if they are equal, like here, 6 over 4 is equal to 3 over 2. These are ratio, and also you can call it proportion, right? And this is also you can call a proportion to each other. These are not ratio, right? So this is a ratio lesson. If you are diaspora, you can visit www.ahsanmathtutoring.com, where you can find more math for helpful.